These rumors of wars must come to pass, but the end is not yet. For nation will rise against nation and kingdom against kingdom, and there will be famines, pestilence, and earthquakes in various places. Well, what is happening right now? Don't you see that Russia is fighting with Ukraine and already 2 or 3 years with that? I don't see no end to that. And it's against Russia. We have other countries. Iran right now is against the United States, and the United States is defending also Israel. Israel also we are in a war together against Iran because those are forces of evil. This is the end of times that we are living right now. We are here to say to you, open your eyes, wake up. This is not the time that we should be